Okay, everyone, let's move on to our next activity after the warm-up activity. So, this is the main activity of the day, which is the reading, the gift of the Magi. So, can anyone read out loud the title of the reading passage for me, please? Emma? Yes, it's the gift of the Magi. So, by whom? Simon? Yes, by Sir O. Henry, which is a very famous writer, right? Thank you. So in the previous lesson, we have studied about the setting of the story, about the the context, the setting, the main characters, the time frame. Thank you, everyone. So now let's read the passage, the main dish. Okay, here, so why I want you guys to read in Google Doc. It is a very powerful tool for us to learn everyone. So in this lesson, I want to use it like a pro. Yes, professional one. By how I will teach you now. So here, read the passage, right? So, um, but first, can you see how many tasks are there by looking at the table of content? How many? Very good. It's three, right? Three following activities. And instead of scrolling up and down like this, it's like time consuming. You can just press and it will immediately take you to the activity you want, right? Very good. So yes, back to this. Okay, I know that this like a story reading along has which is written a long time ago, so it has like old-fashioned vocabulary. So in order for you to understand it, I will show you a very power functions of Google Doc, which is the dictionary. How can we access this? Like, for example, this word reflection. First, you have to highlight like this and then press your right button and look for define. So in define, so in define, you can have the definition here and also the example. Okay, everyone? And as you can see here, it has also a shortcut for us to more easily access this. So it is the Ctrl Shift and Y. Everyone try to do it by your own now. Just highlight whatever, uh, which way, whatever. Try to use the function or the shortcut Ctrl Shift and Y. So you all can do this around, right? Okay, thank you. So I bet that some of you already familiarized with this function, but yeah, so if you already know it, you can help your neighbor, help your friend out. Okay, everyone. And now let's move on. So here, the second activity after you have uh, read the passage is find the meaning of these words. Yes, you may already know the meaning of these words while you use the dictionary while you're reading. But how can we find this word easily in the passage? So we have another tool. So find something, right? Which is the first letter, the F, right? So I bet there's like a basic shortcut that I guess that many of you have already known it. Can anyone tell me, please? Yes, Simon, very good. Thank you. So it's the Control F, everyone. Control F. Here it will have a pop-up checkbox. In here, is it just, I'm sorry, it's just a box. You can type any word that you want to find, like parsimony. Here, one down here, and one up here. Down, up, down. Okay, everyone get it? All right, so here, these two functions will have you um, do the second task. Find the meaning of this word. Mm, right? So there are 10 lovely students in this classroom. So I want you to group in pairs, right? find out a partner, maybe someone you are close to, or on technology expert that you can rely on to help you with this, right? Okay, but I hope that after my instructions, all of you have will know how to use it efficiently. Okay. Yes, you can first by two ways. So by the traditional ways that you will have to find the word in the passage, read the context, try to guess the meaning. Yes, it's okay to be right or wrong, everyone, because we'll have a checkup part later on. And then another person in that pair will give an example. Do you remember in our dictionary function we have, they also provide us with example, right? You can make reference with it, but I want you to give your own example. Okay, then everyone will group it in pairs. Okay, for the next activity is also in pairs. Is James and Della's sacrifice generosity or idiocy? So you will know this word already since you will have already done this this previous activity. Now in this activity, yes, since you are doing it in pairs, I want you to name your lovely pair. Give it a name, which represents two of you. Okay? And then give me the answer. Is it generosity or idiocy? What is it? Please tell me, okay? Then explain. You have to elaborate your answer. So here, now I will give you another powerful tool is giving comments. When all of the groups have already done this, giving your explanation, you you can highlight it and you have three buttons on the right and press the first button, add comment. Here, you can write, I think, or your answer is good, or maybe it's like it like something. And then I guess you can improvise it by doing this or that. It's up to you. Okay. And then you can reply it here. Just click it and write a reply. I want you to get discussion. So groups, other groups, every groups will have to give comment to four other pairs. Okay. Right. I love it. Something like that. Keep going here. Comment, reply, reply, and reply. Reply, reply. Okay, everyone. So you will have 15 minutes to do this task in pairs. So Simon, how many tasks will we have to do in this reading section? Yes, three, right? Here, the table of contents. And in how many minutes, Emma? Yes, 15 minutes. Thank you. Will you do it alone or in pair? By yourself or with another person? One person or two people? How many? Yes, thank you. In pairs. Very good. I think you're ready for it. So please start doing it now. Thank you.